Okay guys, how to channel here. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your follower list on your Facebook. So let's get started. You open your Facebook, then the next step is come to the profile picture, click on it. Let me show my tab. Now click on edit. Okay, yeah, click on the three line dot. Let's three line dot now. Click on edit. Sorry guys, click on edit, and now here you scroll down to the down here. You can see here, click on edit about info. Then you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and this is it. Your followers. Click on see all, and these are those that have followed you. Okay, you can see these are your followers on your Facebook. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.